Hello folks, this is Jeff, the Pocket Watch guy, and I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to this Hamilton model 996 Railroad Pocket Watch. We're very pleased to be able to offer this for sale, and very few people actually know about the Hamilton model 996. Only 23,500 were produced in total. This is a 19-jeweled railroad watch with a motor barrel. Just beautiful timepiece. The nickel plates are the most ornately damasked nickel plates that Hamilton put on any pocket watch. It rivals the 940 and the early Model 1, Model 2, 992. Just absolutely beautiful. I really wanted to take the time to share with you the actual movement on this Model 996. Absolutely exquisite. No reckless jeweler's tool marks. No corrosion, just a beautiful timepiece and an example of Hamilton at its very, very best.